You're not lazy. You're just using too many apps. If your brain feels like a browser with 50 tabs open, you don't need more coffee. You need a system. This is ClickUp. It's the only tool that actually replaces your notes, your to-do list, and your messy spreadsheets. By the end of this video, you'll have a productivity dashboard that does the thinking for you. Let's build it. Most people fail at productivity because their data is scattered. ClickUp is the everything app for work. It replaces Trello, Asana, and even your basic notes app. Whether you're a solo creator or running a team, it's designed to sync across your phone, desktop, and browser instantly. One source of truth. No more "where did I put that link" moments. ClickUp is built like a Russian nesting doll. To master it, you only need to know 4 levels: the workspace, your whole company or life; spaces, big categories like YouTube or client work; lists, your specific projects; tasks, the actual doing, keep your workspace lean. If you have more than 5 spaces, you're overcomplicating it. Let's create a task that actually gets done. Hit C on your keyboard. Give it a name, but here's the pro tip. Add a priority label. If everything is important, nothing is. Assign a due date and use the AI summary feature to instantly turn your messy notes into a clean checklist. Now your task isn't just a reminder, it's a roadmap. The best part of ClickUp? You can change how you see your work without changing the work. List view, for the detail-oriented. Board view, calendar view, to see if your week is actually realistic. One click, and your data transforms to fit your mood. Don't make this mistake. Beginners try to use every feature on day 1. Don't. Start with one list. Use it for a week. If you feel like you're spending more time organizing than working, you've gone too far. ClickUp is a tool, not a hobby. ClickUp doesn't just manage tasks, it manages your stress. Start simple, stay consistent, and watch the chaos disappear. If you want my master productivity template for ClickUp, check the link in the description. Hit subscribe if you're ready to work smarter. Now, go finish that first task.